Hey guys, Haxer here for another video, and today we're going to be talking about 2 free ways that you can have unlimited storage on both your mobile devices or your desktop machine. So what we're going to be talking about here is, again, this is 2 solutions that you can use. It is true there is no cap to how many files you can store in these cloud services. One of them you'll probably know pretty well. The other one is a little bit of a workaround. And the first one that we're going to be talking about here, which is kind of that workaround, is Telegram. So Telegram is a free application that you can download on your mobile device. You can download it on PC, Linux. There's a web version as well, and this is actually meant to be a chat tool. So you can use this, and here what you can see I'm displaying right now, so you're not seeing my chats with other users. That would be private here is my saved messages, but you would also obviously be able to see all the chats with all of your different friends and family members who maybe use the application. Now in this case, what I'm going to be showing you is a way to leverage the storage capacity of Telegram for your own benefit. So what you can do here is you can actually just either manually kind of drag and drop, or if you're on a mobile device, then you can select a number of different files that you want to upload into your saved messages, and there is no limit to how many files you can actually store here. Again, so now since there is no limit here, there's a couple things that you can do. You can either use this with your existing Telegram account, or if you create a Telegram account and you want to be messaging others, then you can use your saved messages here. Or if you wanted to have a separate Telegram configuration just specifically for all your photos and videos, you could create a separate one there as well. Just keep in mind that every profile that you create for Telegram does require a phone number to be assigned. Or at least I believe they still require that. So if you just use a separate phone number to create that account, but I'm using just my personal one here. Now this is not, for full disclosure here, what I use for my cloud storage, but if you're looking for a free solution, it's certainly viable. And again, all you have to do is simply drag and drop files on here. Okay, so for example, if I wanted to just drag and drop a file onto the window here, now you can see that I'm able to click on the send button here, and that's going to go ahead and upload that video into my Telegram saved messages. So if I click on send, you can see here it's going to go ahead and begin uploading that video. Likewise, you can do the same thing with pictures. You'll be able to just drag those and drop those onto the desktop interface here. And again, on the mobile application, it's a similar story. You'll just click on the little clip, or the little paperclip icon here, and you'll be able to use that to select all of the photos and videos that you want to upload. If you want to upload everything at once, you can just go in and select everything. The other thing you can also do, which is nice as well, is if you're using an app like Gallery or a photo gallery application on your Android device, you can just mass select all the photos and videos on your device that you want, and you can send them to your saved messages. So you can quickly begin uploading everything all at once into your saved messages very quickly, easily. The only caveat here is that, again, you cannot auto upload, as far as I know, to Telegram, but there is no limitation here. One other thing to note is that if you're using this as your primary cloud storage, there's 2 ways that you can upload photos. You can either upload it as a picture just like this, or if you click on the clipboard or the paperclip icon here on your mobile device and you select to send a photo as a file, then you'll get a smaller icon when you do that, and it'll upload instead of seeing the picture like you see here. You'll get a little thumbnail of the icon with the file name, and what that does is it prevents those photos from being compressed when they upload. So this photo, for example, since I can see the preview in my screen here, it does slightly compress those images, similar to what we're going to see in the next option here. But if you want to send it in the full quality and you want all of the pictures to be sent into your saved messages in full quality, you can do that by sending them as files into your saved messages, and then you won't lose any quality. For the videos, there is no option to choose between the two, so it generally, I believe, just sends in normal quality, and you'll be able to play that through your saved messages either on your desktop device or your mobile device. So that's how you can send and share and upload an unlimited number of photos and videos onto your Telegram account using the cloud storage that's available. There's no limit, and Just keep in mind the only thing you'll have to be aware of with Telegram is that over a period of time, I think it's like after a year, if you don't use the account at all, then they do have the ability to potentially close the account. But as long as you're using the account every now and then the account will remain active and you have completely unlimited storage here to be able to store all of your files. And again, this is not just photos and videos, this is literally anything you want. You can upload PDFs in here, videos, photos, music, whatever you want. If you want to use it just for your photo and video storage, you can, but you can also use it for storing all of the files that you want. You can also, as you see here, I can type text into here, so if you want to put in text kind of as tags, if you ever need to go back and find something, if you label certain things, you can use the search function to go back and find points in your saved messages, whether you're finding certain photos and videos or whatever it might be. So that's a good way to just kind of label things in there. There's not really a specific viewing mechanism. What I can do here is I can get this view here of all of my photos and videos, and you can see here just the number of kinds of files that I've shared into my saved messages here. So what this does do, even though there's not necessarily a function of being able to go in sort of like a file folder function, you can't create folders or anything, you do get this view here where I can see all of my pictures and videos in one view. If I want to look at all my videos, I can click here. If I want to look at all of my files and kind of scrub through my photos, so you do kind of get a view of everything, and you can look through by month if you want. So it has a nice little view there. If you're using this for storing all your content, then you can quickly kind of navigate through everything all at once. Okay, so that was the way that you can use Telegram to be able to store all of your content that you want online. So again, unlimited cloud storage there available. And the second one that we're going to be looking at here is Google Photos, which many of you probably already know. This is not new to a lot of people, but just to mention it again, kind of what capabilities are available and what you can use this for. With Google Photos, you do have the ability to store an unlimited number of photos and videos in the application. There is also a limitation here, so if I drag a video onto my screen here, you'll see that at the original quality, I only have 13 gigs limit here left for my particular account, and I don't remember exactly how much you're given with to begin with. Mine might have a different level of storage available as far as the limit here, but what you do have as unlimited storage, you have the ability to store as much as you want as long as you're okay with them compressing the video. So here you can see if I just choose the high quality option, it's free unlimited storage, so it's going to compress the video. It doesn't change the quality really all that much. So if I choose that option, I upload it here. It's going to upload it into my Google Photos application, compress it slightly, and you'll be able to view the video in there. The same is true for your photos as well. As long as you're okay with the photos and videos being compressed, you have completely unlimited storage for all of your photos and videos. Now this is the desktop application here. There's a mobile application available, of course, for Android. You can get that for iOS if you want. And you can automatically upload your photos and videos if you'd like. Now I actually have this sort of as a backup solution because I pay for a different service for uploading the full quality versions of all of my photos and my videos, but I do have everything kind of uploaded for the compressed versions just as a backup of all of my content. And so if you guys are okay with the compression, again, it doesn't change the quality too much, then you can use that for free, and there is no limit to how much you can store there. If you guys prefer to have the full quality version of all of your photos and videos stored on Google Photos, of course there are options available. If we go to the Google Photos option here, we'll just look at the pricing options that are available in this particular case. It's now all set through Google's One option here. So if you get Google One and you subscribe to that, then you'll be able to choose through some different options for whatever is going to suit your needs. Okay, so 15 gigs is the default here where we looked at before. I had 13 gigs left. You get 15 gigabytes for free. So if you wanted to store just certain photos and videos at the original quality and the rest you wanted to use the compressed versions, you can certainly do that. But if you want to have everything stored at the full quality, full version, you can pay for the service here. You can see that 100 gigabytes of storage starts at $2 a month, 200 gigs of storage is $3, and 2 terabytes of storage is $9.99 a month. And the other thing about this is there's some benefits that you get when you subscribe to these different service packages here. For example, with the service here, you get 10% back in store credit on Google Store purchases. You can see that you also get access with many of these options to be able to speak to Google experts. You can add family members with all of these plans. And you get extra member benefits as well, which includes discounts on hotels and things like that. So if you guys want to subscribe to these, you certainly can. But what I wanted to demonstrate in this video is, again, if you're looking for a free solution, you can certainly upload all of your photos and videos for free as long as you're okay with that compression. Alright, so this is a really quick video. I didn't want to spend too much time going through this. It's pretty simple here. I just wanted to kind of mention those two options. And again, Google Photos, I think a lot of people know about. Telegram, not a lot of people know about at least the cloud storage component to it, or how you can use that to store your information. So I just wanted to kind of bring that to everyone's attention. But again, this is a really quick video. Hope this was helpful. Before I go, there is just one thing that I wanted to show you guys. There is an application called Cash App that's available by Square, and I do not have a sponsor for my videos, so just to make that kind of clear to you guys, since I don't have a sponsor, there are some things that I do promote that do give me a commission, but also it gives a benefit to you guys, and it's completely free. It's a free way to support my channel. Right now, one of those ways is to download and use the Cash App. The Cash App has a couple things that are beneficial to you. It allows you to send money to your friends and family completely free, as long as they have the Cash App installed as well. You also get a free debit card with the Cash App, so you can use it as a bank if you want, or as just a prepaid debit card. And with this Cash App, you're also going to be able to get different perks. So you can get 10% off of your Chick-fil-A purchases as long as it's still available. They do cycle between different benefits, but right now there's 10% off of Chick-fil-A purchases. You can get discounts off of your purchases in grocery stores and things like that, and it's completely free. If you look in the description of this video as well, there will be a few other things that you can check out that will be able to support the channel. Some free apps that you can download that are going to get you discounts off of groceries, discounts off of things online, and a few other things as well, including a way to get some free stock. So please check those things out. Again, it's a completely free way to support my channel. Or if you would like to donate, you can do that as well. There is an option in the description. But that's it for this video, guys. I just wanted to share those two ways to get unlimited storage for your content online. Please leave a like if you liked the video, and feel free to leave a comment below. I'll be happy to get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks again for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.